Most people make moves with no thought behind their moves or why they're making the move. I've learned to understand that life is chess, not checkers. Every move you make is calculated. You know, I noticed that most people want to play checkers. They just jump all over the board. They move reckless. And they're not realizing that their reckless moving is the reason why they're not positioning themselves in life. Again, life is chess. Calculated, strategic moves. And a lot of people can't understand that because of the fact that they watching all the wrong moves and they making all the wrong moves. You know, again, it takes a foolish mind to believe that if I do the same things I did last year, I'm going to have a better outcome this year. That's a foolish mind. Again, millionaires don't become millionaires by chance. Millionaires become millionaires by strategically making moves to position themselves in order to reciprocate what they're trying to put out. For instance, if every day I wake up and I bypass the gym, how do I expect myself to be in shape? But yet and still, people think finances work that way. You just presto changeo, I'm good. That's not how life operates. Strategical, calculated moves. Chess, not checkers. Thinking every move, right? Every move is for the embedment of you to ultimately win the game. A lot of people don't think like that. And it's sad because I sit back and observe people and I'm like, how you can't see is the moves that you're making that's pushing yourself further back. You know, and I don't want to sound like a guru that has it all together, but I know if I go to or take a certain direction and I see it's not working, I'm going to turn around and go the opposite way. I'm not going to keep going the same way when the way is not working. You understand? We sit back, we observe people, and they're winning. But they're winning because of their moves. Their moves are calculated. I had to eliminate and stop playing checkers myself. I played checkers my whole life, but checkers is a childish boy's game. Chess is a man's game. And the reason why chess works in life, again, is because it's your moves, strategy. How can I beat what's against me? You know, when I set up a chessboard, as you see, this is the odds that stacked against me. This is my moves. This is the odds that stacked against me. This is my moves. So when I sit down and evaluate this board, I make every move that's going to put me in position to win. And that's what I do in life. Again, don't be mad at your results when you hang around losers and you wonder why you're losing. It's you. You know, you choose to be who you want to be around. Again, sometimes you have to make yourself uncomfortable in order to become great again. And I've learned I've become uncomfortable in a lot of spaces, and those spaces helped me grow to the man I am today. I've been in rooms where I was beyond the brokest person in the room, and I was comfortable. I've been in rooms where I was a lot more established than some of the people in the room. I felt comfortable. I've been in projects, hoods, ghettos, everywhere you name it, and I've been comfortable. But I realized that looking backwards, you'll ultimately trip going forward. So again, if I don't look like this, forward, if I keep going like this, I'm a trip for going forward. So what I'm trying to say is make calculated moves, be strategic with this thing called life, and understand you are the company you keep. Either your circle gonna motivate you or your circle gonna keep you inside the cage that you in. See, most people don't understand they're in a psychological cage. Their mind is in a box. And the reason why their minds are in a box, because it's restraint. It's not willing to try to do something different. It's conformed to I'm going to lose for the rest of my life. You can't look at yourself in the position you are today and want to be comfortable in that situation. Every day, every minute, every hour, every year, you should want to get better and better and better and better and better. Never stay comfortable in a bad situation. That is not a plus. And that goes for relationships, that goes for friendships, that goes for jobs, that goes for anything. Again, you are the decisions you make, you are the people you're around, and you are the moves you make. So what I say on this note is, life is strategy, being strategic, and understanding I'm around certain people because they make my life easier. I'm not around people who are distracting me from the common goal. My goal is to learn how to beat my odds. You see these things against me? This is odds. This is growing up in a bad area. This is generational curse. This is failures. This is fear. This is all the things I look at these things as, the odds that are stacked against me. When I look at over here, determination, willingness to conquer, sacrifice, good friends, motivation. So on this side of the board, I see a whole different enemy. A post up there. See, these are the things that I work on. Self-value, self-love. You understand? When you start learning that you have to value your time, you have to value yourself more, you'll see things that start happening better for you. And that's just me being 100% honest. Remember, before I leave this live, understand, life is chess, not checkers. Go follow me on Instagram at QDABoss516, QTheBoss516. You know, go show some love. I follow back. I'm not one of these bougie dudes. Show some love. If you want to elevate your mind and grow with me, let's do this thing together. You understand? Listen, I don't think I'm better than nobody. I think I do make better strategical moves than a lot of people, though. And that's just what it is. And again, you have to be willing to have that great conversation with yourself in order to change yourself. Talk to yourself and tell yourself, I'm not happy where I'm at. I don't want to stay in this position. When you have those conversations with yourself, you can ultimately change them. So till next time, follow me on YouTube, Q's Corner. You get a lot of these gems. And DM me if you have any questions. Empower Dynasty.